It was a dark and quiet night. The clock showed 12 o'clock. Rhea was sleeping in her bed when she heard a strange sound. Scratch, scratch, scratch. It was coming from her bedroom door. She sat up and listened carefully. It was not the sound of wind. It was not the sound of rain. It sounded like nails slowly scratching the wood. Her heart started beating faster. The sound stopped. The room became too quiet. Rhea felt cold. She looked at the door, but nothing moved. She tried to relax, but then she heard something else. From her closet in the corner of the room came a soft whisper. The voice sounded like a small child. It said very slowly, "Can I come out now?" Check out next video for another part.